it's your girl Arie. Welcome back to another Late Nights with Arie. So yeah, y'all, welcome back to my channel. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I am here with a product review. You already read by the title, so you already know what it is. We are going to be reviewing Busties, guys. If you are not familiar with what Busties are, it is breast tape. It helps you with your outfits that need a little extra It supports the larger girls, the smaller girls, lifting up your boobies, and it also just protects you when wearing certain outfits and taping certain areas. You know, y'all get the gist. You get the gist. You get what I'm saying. Y'all know what Busties is. It's just to help support the girls, okay? And everybody needs some type of support, whether you have super big breasts or super small breasts like me. I do not have any. However, if I knew about Busties a long time ago, your girl would have been on it. You know what I'm saying? I would have been on it, because there's been some times where I had on a shirt, didn't have a bra, because either bras don't fit me or they're just too uncomfortable. So, you know, your girl be out, and if it gets cold, you can see everything. So yeah, they're here to save the girls. But anyway, you guys, before we get into this video, if you are new to the channel, please take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below and like this video up, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. So here is my package from Busties, guys. I want to thank Busties so much for sponsoring this video. I'm super excited. So I already opened up the package just to kind of make sure it was legit. I be so scared when it comes to like sponsorships and stuff. I'll be like, are they real people over there? And they do be real people, and I just be like, okay, God come through. But guys, I'm super excited that they sent me these. They sent me the, let me see, this is the breast tape kit. So this is what we have, and I'm just gonna pretty much show you the box and read it off to you guys. So this is what it looks like, and let's see, it says it's a roll of 2 by 16 by 5 breast tape, so it's a fairly nice, decent size. It says it's reusable silicone lifting nipple covers. Okay, that's in here. It says pear satin flower nipple covers. Oh, is that in here too? Skin sensitive test kit. Y'all, I can't read today, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. It says tape instructions. If you don't know how to use this, find a quiet spot, pour yourself a glass of wine, and read the instruction card inside of the box. Y'all, they say get a glass of wine. 1 second. Instructions to a tape. It say get a glass of wine. Your girl ain't got a glass of wine. Because you know what I'm saying? We might have to read the instructions. So, Busties, you guys are onto something. I love that they said to get a glass of wine, because you know that means you are for the girls, okay? Let's go get into it. Let's go get into it. Okay, y'all should have seen me trying to open this up, y'all. Like, with the nails and stuff, honey. Oh, they really fed all that into this little small box. Now, I was a little concerned, because I was like, it said that it had the nipple covers, and I said, but if it was tape inside of here, where's the nipple covers? Because you only gave me one thing in my package. But okay, Busties, thank you so much. Also, oh my gosh, stop it. Stop it. My sister's cats are here, and they're like jumping on all of my camera equipment. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Cats are weird. But yeah, so we're gonna just pull everything out. Ooh, we're gonna try these all out. These are the nipple covers, and it's just, ooh, it's perfect size. Perfect size. Perfect. These are like the stickers, like the pasty stickers. Oh my God, y'all, I've been needing some pasties. Y'all, like when I be doing my lingerie trial, it's probably why they reached out to me. They was like, this girl's always talking about how she need to cover up her nipples and she ain't got nothing yet. Let us send her something. I appreciate it. I've been saying I need some of these. And yeah, I cannot wait to go ahead and use these. These would definitely get used. Only thing is, I wish they was, I need black. Y'all could have sent me like black or like a really dark brown, but it's okay. I still appreciate you. I still appreciate you. And what else is in here? This is the instructions. I don't really think I need the instructions though. I'm just gonna be honest. Stop, read the back. These are samples. Oh, I like that y'all did this. So inside their box, they include a sample pack. That way you don't have to open up any of the other products. In case you don't like it, you can actually send it back. and for their sake, they get to save money and probably reuse it. But look, y'all, so we don't even have to go in. This is the tape, by the way. We can literally just use stuff from here, right here. Y'all, this cat is wilding. This cat is wilding. Hold on. Y'all, this is my sister's cat. Say hi to the vlog. This little cat here is gonna keep hissing because he wants, you better stop it. This cat is bad. Like super, super bad. He's jumping on my cameras, jumping on my lighting, and now he was just on my counter. I seen it, I said, oh no. Oh, oh no. That's what, look. Who you growling and hissing at all the time? You still so cute though. Oh. He go, okay, y'all, I gotta get back into the video. Can you just stop getting on my stuff here? Go on and do what you was doing. Dang, I don't even know what's going on. Whew. Oh, they come with a little bag. This is about to go in my model bag. I'm not gonna be forgetting these no more, because every time I have photo shoots and stuff, I always forget stuff. And like, I need to go ahead and put this stuff in there because it's definitely gonna be coming handy. I love that they got the sample stuff. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you guys how to use the tape. I have the tape open. The hardest part for me was actually getting the wrapper off, and that's because your girl got nails, okay? I was in here like, baby, I need those scissors. I had to get some scissors. But we are going to just pull this tape out. One of the good things about it is on the back, it has the strip. So you can take it off so that you can get to the sticky port so that it can actually stick to you. So I'm just gonna give you an example. I have one of those shirts that requires me not to wear a bra whatsoever, and sometimes it's really uncomfortable because I feel a little bit self-conscious when I wear that shirt, and it has like a zigzag up here. I've always wondered, how could I wear a bra with this when it has all these zigzags? I'm gonna show y'all. If you come across a difficult shirt like that, like I'm explaining, you may not be able to really picture it, but we all have that difficult shirt. This right here is perfect. So with the tape, you can go from here to here. You see that? And then you can cut that piece off. And then you can go from here to here and cut that piece off, and boom, the babies is secure and ready to go. Y'all understand? I want to see if there's a way that I can lift up my breast so that it's looking a little bit more fuller. So I'm actually about to try that out, and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. Y'all might not be able to see, but I want to see. So give me just 1 second. I'll be back. So what I'm gonna do is take the tape from the bottom right here and measure it to where I can pull it up to lift up my breast. That's what I'm about to do. So we be okay. So my nipple is covered, so I'm hoping that I don't get like shadow banned for this video, but I just really want to show the girls how to really do it, okay? Because I got small breasts. What I'm doing is I already taped it at the bottom. It's not too sticky to where it's gonna pull your skin off once you take it off. And I'm actually gonna use my hand to lift my breast up, and then I'm gonna pull this up and just tape it there. And this, y'all, this is difficult with my nails, like trying to get it to where it's like super perfect. I'm just gonna be honest with you. And let's see if I can see a difference once I pull this up. Do I see a difference? I just want to lift up the girls. I just want to lift up the girl. Do y'all see a difference? Do y'all see a difference from this boob to this boob? Or maybe I can pull it up higher. Like if I had a shirt that covers up this area, maybe it will work. It's very comfortable. It's very, very comfortable. It's still, I still like it. But I kind of feel like, maybe because I got on black, y'all can't really see it on the camera. I don't know, y'all. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, guys, so I did play around with the tape a little bit longer, and I must say, I really do like it. It's just only so much that I can actually show you on camera. I highly recommend that you go ahead and try this product out, guys. I do have a special link down in the description box down below. Check out my Amazon storefront, and you would be able to purchase Busties, guys. They provided me with a link so that you guys can shop, and what I did was put it in a safe place, which is on my Amazon storefront for you guys. So make sure you go on there and check it out. You can also check out other products that I recommend on that page as well, and just shop yourself away, guys. So I do highly recommend Busties. Go on and get Busties, guys. It's going to help the girls. It's definitely going to help the girls. I just want to thank them one last time for sponsoring this video, you guys. And until next time, bye, guys.